In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and customize forms in GoHighLevel. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your main dashboard, often called the Launchpad. This is the central place where you access all your tools and features. Once you're on the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Sites. Go ahead and click on that. This is where GoHighLevel groups everything related to websites, funnels, and of course, forms. Inside the Sites area, you'll see several tabs or sections. Find the one called Forms and click on it. This takes you into the Form Builder area, where you can manage existing forms or create brand new ones. To start building a new form, click on the button that says Add Form. This will open up the form creation window. At this point, GoHighLevel gives you two main options. You can start from scratch, or you can build your form from templates. If you're new or want something fast, templates can be a great starting point. If you need something very specific or you like full control over the layout, choose to start from scratch. Select the option that suits your needs and then click on Create to open the form editor. Once the editor loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel titled Form Elements. This is your toolbox. It contains all the different types of fields and components you can add to your form, like text inputs, email fields, phone fields, checkboxes, drop-downs, and more. You can scroll through this panel to see all the available elements. To build your form, simply drag any element from this panel and drop it into the main form area on the right. Arrange these elements in the order that makes the most sense for your users, and think about the information you truly need so your form stays simple and effective. If you need to add additional fields that go beyond the basic elements, look for the option that says Add Object Fields. Clicking this lets you bring in more specific fields tied to your records in GoHighLevel. To speed things up, you can click on Quick Add, which helps you drop in commonly used fields without having to configure everything from scratch. As you're building, it's a good idea to check how your form will look to your visitors. At the top of the screen, click on Preview. This opens a live preview so you can see the layout, spacing, and overall flow of the form. If something doesn't look right, just close the preview, adjust your elements, and preview again until you're happy with it. When you're satisfied with your form's structure and design, make sure you click on Save. This final step ensures all your changes are stored, and your form is ready to be used inside your funnels, websites,